Remember, you can pause the videos at any time to get caught up. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments or email us at severanceltd@protonmail.com. Today you will learn how to install Python on your PC and activate your working directory.
Wow! Awesome! Let's do it!
First, check your Python version. On the Python download page, mouse over Downloads, then Windows, then 3.14. This brings up the installer. Run it and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Open your browser and go to this URL to download Python. It's python.org downloads. This is the official site. Download the installer and run it. Follow each command line interface prompts. This allows Python to access longer file paths. It's a critical step. Follow through each command line interface prompt. On this screen, select Y for yes. This confirms the launcher for all users. Always review and confirm these prompt steps. Okay, we've updated the system path. It will take effect after a reboot. Now, let's check the global shortcuts directory. We can add this directory to our path to use Python commands. Follow through each command line interface prompt. On this screen, select Y or yes. This confirms the installation path and dependencies. Type Y to proceed. After that, the installer will handle the rest. Any questions? Once you've completed these steps, you're finished installing Python.
So it's ready to use?
Yes, exactly. It's now in your system path.
Do we need to restart the computer?
No, a restart isn't required. You can start coding. The next task will be to activate your virtual environment so we can start coding in Python. Are you all ready?